Now watch this. They are made of the highest quality food grade silicone, not plastic. Better for you and the environment. They are super thick and durable. Hi everyone, my name is Julie, founder of my favourite food containers, flat stacks. They go from the fridge, the freezer, into the microwave, the dishwasher, in any order. Now flat stacks are stain and odour resistant. If you have any containers that look like this at home, then you need to throw it away. This is what we call chemicals leaching into your food. Bad for you and very bad for the environment. Now flat stacks are colour coded to match their bases. So you can store them with the lid on and you never lose any lids. And there's no more fishing for lids at all. No more rummaging through that hell cupboard that you might have at home. So you can transform your drawers and your cupboards at home from this to this. Now my favourite thing about flat stacks is they work like a vacuum seal. So if you have got any leftovers at home or dry goods that don't quite fill the container, now you just simply lift the little air vent up like that and just push it down, all the air out, and as you can see, look how much space you're saving.
What I really like about the flat stacks is they just fold straight down. They can go into your gym bag or any backpack that you're wearing at the moment. We've got all different sizes. We've got the bigger sizes for the bigger eaters, that's my boyfriend's size. We've got the littlest size for me, and then you've also got the little snack pack sizes for little snacks throughout the day.
I like flat stacks because in the caravan here, as you can see, they're easy to see, they're compact, and they're ideal to go into the caravan fridge.
This is our full range of flat stacks. There are so many to choose from. You'll love the round set. I love this one, that will be my favourite. And we've got the squares, the beautiful pastel colours that you can work with. This is our most popular set, our signature set, and then the larger ones that go with it. These are fantastic for your leftovers. You're going to put your ham, all your leftovers into these ones. Now if you're not the host and you're travelling and transporting food, the large sizes are absolutely brilliant. We've got our 3 litre, 4 litre, 5 litre. Now these are great for your prawns, your meat, your legs of lambs, your roast porks, and then you can transport your salads, whether it's a mango salad or baked potatoes and pumpkin, whatever it may be. Remember, we're heat resistant, so you're going to love flat stacks. If you're going caravan and camping, if you live in a small unit with a very small space, floating, picnicking, barbecuing, there's a size for everyone. Please remember that you've got a 5-year warranty on all products. So if you have any issue, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service. Don't miss out on our special offer. We have some free gifts that we are offering to you today, so click the link below and get your flat stacks.